What's up everybody, I'm Pogsprout and I'm here with my friend Andrew the Cuber. So I'm here with the shuffled Rubik's Cube that I shuffled before and Andrew gonna solve it really quick. Andrew is one of the best Rubik's Cubers in the world. He can beat everybody in just 1 second. Even Felix Zemdex started crying when he beat his high score. Watch and learn everybody. Andrew solving the cube like a professional cuber. Is he gonna beat his own world record which is only 5 seconds long? Look at those damn moves of a professional cuber. Even Felix Zemdex can't do that. Right now you're witnessing one of the greatest solves of all time. But let's see what will happen if we do the mentalism trick on him. Let's try that now on Magic Mentalism with Pogs Vlogs D'Angelo. Andrew is a great cuber. But what will I do today is that kakalimutan niya mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube using my magic and my mentalism brain techniques. Watch it out. First kong gagawin is slip! Una kong gagawin ay aalisin ko ang niya, yung skills niya dito, aalisin ko sa brain niya. Ito na. Wala na yung skills niya ngayon. And now, I'm gonna wake him up. Wake up! Next kong gagawin is yung fingers niya. Kasi di ba pag nag-Rubik's Cube ka, kailangan yung mga talim mo. Aalisin kong skills niya sa pag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. Let's start with thumb. Pakita mo yung mga fingers ha. Yung una mong gagawin, yung una kong ginagawa, ito, pinamassage ko siya. Tapos i-put ko. Tapos ililipat ko. Tapos bahala na sila absorb yung it's called the skill air. Yun ang nangyayari sa mga babies. Kaya si Mozart magaling piano si Mozart nung 4 years old siya kasi nahigop niya yung oxygen na yun. Let's do the rest. And do the other. Salamat nga pala sa mga gumawa na Bangs Glasses Challenge. Shoutout kay kay Mochim. Kay Mochim. Next is yung palms niya. Diba di naman fingers lang ginagamit? Kailangan yung palms niya yung maalis rin. So, palms is connected to the brain. Like this. Connected here. Now, let's go first with the left palm. Start by doing this. And now, we're gonna grab it. It's very long. As you can see, this is the string of magaling mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. Remove. Now, let's do the other side. If you lean like that, I'm gonna do it again. Kasi parang train tapos na-stop yung connection. Itong string. Ayos ko na. And now, all we gotta do is clean up the mess. And then, double check natin kung may naalala pa yung siya slip. Brain massage. Para maalis na yung para makalimutan na niya mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. Wake up! Ngayon, testing natin si Andrew kung magaling ba yung mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. Test! Tignan natin kung mahulog pa siya mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube o hindi na. Pag mo surrender na, surrender. At gaya na sinabi ko kanina, yung mga nasa brain cells niya, sa kamay niya, It's called skilled oxygen. Ang gagawin ko ngayon ay I will ma-acquire ko yung powers ng Rubik's Cube.
Hirap. Makul.
Medyo maunong na mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. Check na nga si Ando kung ano nangyari sa kanya.
Hindi ko masul.
Mahirap ba? Mahirap?
Ang hirap. Siguro nga, isang kulay lang kaya ko dito.
Yan na. Hindi. Tignan mo ako. Yan. Ito ang mga skills yung nagaling kay Ando kanina. Kunin ko. Ngayon, ako naman mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. Give me that! Medyo... Kung tataka kayo guys, ba't mabagal ang mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube? Kasi hindi ko pa na fully acquire. Kung gusto ko ma-fully acquire, ang technique doon ay ano, keep on practicing para ma-fully acquire mo ng tayo. Okay, let's do it. Medyo noob pa ako kasi hindi ko pa nakuha talaga lahat. Kailangan makuha ko talaga lahat. Tsaka pag na-absorb mo na yung ano, skills oxygen, ano mo na, kailangan mag-practice ka muna. Hindi naman diretso magaling ka. Ganun ang ano, sinabi ni Peg Zemdex sa akin. Now I'm gonna solve the Rubik's Cube now. I'm a little bit slow because I'm new. Ano ka na lang to? Fast motion. Time-lapse. Shoutout nga pala sa mga Aksay students. Class ko na kayo.
Nagpapasalamat rin ako sa mga viewers ng reaction namin ni Pogi ng NCT 127 Chain.
Right?
Nagkaroon na kami ng 124 views niya.
127 na.
Ay, 127 na pala.
Nag-gets nyo ba guys? 127 NCT. 127.
Wow.
Wait lang ha. Medyo di ko pa masyado na-acquire yung
Comment
skills.
kayo guys kung anong gusto nyo i-react namin ulit.
Ayan. So ganun lang guys. Basic lang. Pero only 1 out of 10 billion people in the world can do this trick. It's called the mentalism trick. Zip! That's it guys. Bye bye.